In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a template in DocuSign. To get started, open DocuSign and head to the main workspace. Once you're in, go to the Templates area and click Create a Template. This is where you'll build a reusable version of a document so you don't have to start from scratch every time. First, enter a template name. Make it something easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates for different document types. A clear name makes it much faster to find the right one when you need it. Next, type a description. This helps give extra context about what the template is for, and it can be especially useful if other team members will also be using it. A short, practical description is usually enough. After that, upload the document you want to turn into a template. This could be a contract, agreement, form, or any file you plan to send repeatedly. Once the document is added, you can begin setting up who will receive it. Click Add Recipients. Instead of entering real recipient details, create recipient roles. For example, you might use placeholders like Signer 1, Client, or Approver. The key here is to leave the actual name and email fields blank so they can be filled in later when you send the document. This makes the template flexible and reusable. If your document needs more than one person involved, click Add Recipients again and create the additional recipient roles you need. This ensures each signer or participant has a defined place in the workflow. Then, click on the role field where needed to confirm or adjust the assigned role for that recipient. Once your recipient roles are in place, populate the message section. This is where you add the subject line and message that will go out with the document. Keeping this section clear and professional can save time later and helps create a more consistent sending experience. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. DocuSign will save the setup as a template and return you to the templates list. You should now see your new template added there. From this point on, you can use the template anytime you need to send the same type of document, which is a great way to save time and reduce repetitive setup. If needed, you can also come back and edit the template later, and that's how to save a template in DocuSign. Once you start using templates regularly, your document workflow becomes much faster, more organized, and easier to manage. Thanks for watching.